beautiful souls. It's Jody from Soft Soul Yoga. Oh, I made it outside. I really needed this time right now to unwind and just get to the mat. I hope everybody is well. I just wanted to say hi, and I'm here on the farm. I'm in my quiet space, which you can hear all the birds and all the wildlife out here, which is so beautiful. Molly is in her pen. I was going to film by her tonight, but I just felt like I needed just a little time alone because she, you know, she's a little spoiled girl where she just wants all her attention and all the carrots. So I just felt like I just wanted to be here and listen and be present. And I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're new to my channel, of course, thank you for being here right now and following me. Today we're going to do, and thank you for seeing my exclusive video this morning. That was amazing. Got a lot of good responses on that. Trust me, I'm new to that, so that was kind of fun. But I'm here right now, and I just feel like it's been a long week, and my husband has been really working really hard on this project, and so we kind of keep missing each other. But with that being said, I am grateful for my family. I love starting a class, and I think I'm just going to start doing this and incorporating it. But I just want to say how grateful I am, because you know, there are lots of things in this world that can happen to somebody, or it already has, and you know, we should be grateful for all the good things. And I am going to be a little pissed because this shouldn't happen with my gimbal. I need a new gimbal. Okay, time out. So funny. I think the turkeys are around. I hear them. All right, let's see if this works. All right. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my outfit of the day. I am wearing a new sports bra from Amazon. I am totally in love with them. They are down in my link. They're very supportive. They have a great back. I love it. They have the ring detail here, and very comfortable. You can wear it as a bathing suit top, an outdoor top with jeans, which looked really cute before I had them on. And these are from Aerie, and I just love the color green. They're high top and fun. So anyway, again, I am just very grateful to be here, and I'm super excited that you're going to join me for I am going to do a stress relief so that you can sleep at night. So I learned from a yogi teacher a long time ago that when you stretch your body out and really put the energy into the stretch, you're working out all your muscles and you're working out all your tendons. And again, there's another thing that to release all these serotonins in your head is another good thing is to stick your tongue out as far as you can. This is no drugs. This is for people with depression or anxiety. So if you were to take your tongue, 40 seconds, you would stick your tongue out as far as you can out and pressurize like that, like out. And you hold it for 40 seconds. And you do that 6 times a week. Right before you go to bed, it will help you relax, be calm, and it's helped my brother. So that was in a study done in, I want to say Princeton, but I could be totally wrong, so you could fact check me on that. But Anyway, I just want to give you that little tidbit. So, we are going to start with breath. And I forgot my tea. So, anyway, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do this. So, we're going to bring our legs over. And if you can touch the back of the floor, you're in good shape. I'm almost there. And keep your hands down. Okay, there was a bug on me. And now come up tall. Hold your lower back if you need. And I got a cramp on my toe. And bring them back down. Put your arms back. Up. Support your lower back. And I kind of roll down. So that gets the blood flowing to your head. And that felt so good. So if you can do that, that's amazing. If you can't, let's lift our legs. We're going to do some new stuff. We're going to work out our abs and hold. I'm going to go in the center. Oops. All right, center, hold. Bring them in. Happy baby. Can I do happy baby? Oh, yeah. And just stretch them back. Stretch those heels back. Oh, yeah. And nice flat. I can see the pine cones up there. So beautiful outside. I love nature. And up. Always sit up tall, shoulders back. Yeah. Amazing. Okay. And we're going to reach over. And we're going to stretch. I just wanted to say thank you. I'm going to do a shout out right now to Darren. Thank you for supporting me on buying me a coffee or tea. That was so amazing. Thank you so much. That will actually help me buy some more tops. And I really appreciate that. So that was amazing. And we're going to reach. And we're going to reach over. And there's a lot of my supporters. I mean, I know you all follow me on Patreon as well, and that's great too. Just going to move over a little bit. The sun is definitely peeking through that tree over there. Okay. And we're going to reach, and there we go. And grab that leg. Actually, grab that toe. Let me shift my camera this way. There we go. Amazing. I love doing this. I love being here for you. And I hope that I'm helping you. This is all just kind of beginner flow, breath, movements. I don't do things that are just too hard and difficult that, you know, I see on the internet, and it's not what I'm about. You know, I just want everybody to follow along and see if it works, and I learn new things every day, and that's what I like to do. So with that being said, we're gonna get down and we're going to do some cat-cow. We're gonna stretch our lower back a little bit, all right? Because that's what we need to do. My lower back is on fire. So let's do that. All right, we're gonna send it back into child's pose. And you know what? Just for fun, I'm gonna try and do this one and sit here a minute. Oh, I got a cramp in my foot. Okay. All right. Which way is that? And make sure you tuck in your belly button. Ready? Cat. Okay, we're gonna do some hip movement. Rotations. Okay, we're gonna do a couple of push-ups. Hold your feet together. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing. And we're gonna do a couple of kicks too, because that helps. We want a good tush. Okay, here we go. Summer's coming. We could go this way and out, or just kick them in the air. And we'll switch it around. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and flip the hair. Anyway, that just felt so good. And we did a lot. I mean, you may not think so, but a little every day helps. And with my flow and yoga teaching, I just want everybody to feel comfortable and just feel good. So I think that's it. I mean, like I said, I really do love doing just like a 12 to 15 minute show with you guys. So thank you for liking and subscribing. Thank you for following me. I'm trying to get to that 10,000 mark follow. It's tough. I mean, everything happens for a reason, I guess. You know, the algorithms are going, but you know what? I love putting out my show. I'm here, and I hope everybody likes and subscribes, follows, comments. Everything is linked in my bio. I have my Amazon, and buy me a coffee or tea. I love you all, and I can't wait to see you on the next show. So anyway, you know what I say. See you tomorrow. Bye.